In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Excel file when you don't have Microsoft Office using Google Sheets. This task is simple and straightforward, perfect for those moments when you need to access your spreadsheets but lack the software to do so. Let's walk through each step in detail, ensuring you can master this process with ease. First, you'll want to begin by opening Google Sheets. If you're unfamiliar, it's part of Google's suite of online Office apps and can be accessed via your web browser at no cost. Simply head to sheets.google.com, and after you've logged in with your Google account, you'll be presented with the option to create a new spreadsheet. Click to open a blank sheet, and this will serve as our workspace for importing the Excel file. Now, with your new Google Sheet open, direct your attention to the upper menu where you'll find the option labeled File. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From here, select the Import option. This feature is crucial as it allows you to pull your Excel file into Google Sheets for viewing and editing. Once you click Import, a new window will appear offering several import options. Here, ensure you choose the Upload tab. This is necessary since we're aiming to upload an Excel file stored on your computer. After selecting Upload, a button labeled Browse will appear. Click this, and you'll be able to navigate your computer's file system to locate the Excel file you wish to open. After you've clicked Browse, find and select the Excel file you're planning to open with Google Sheets. This step guarantees that Google Sheets knows exactly which document you're working with. Once selected, the file will begin uploading, a process indicated by a progress bar. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this might take a few moments. Following a successful upload, you'll be prompted with additional settings. To ensure your Excel data is imported correctly, select the option Insert New Sheets. Doing so will place your Excel data into the Google Sheet as a fresh new sheet, keeping it separate from any existing data in your current Google Sheet. Finally, click on the Import Data button to bring the process to completion. Google Sheets will efficiently convert and display the contents of your Excel file into a new tab within your sheet. It's that simple. Now you can freely view, edit, and share your spreadsheet just like any other Google Sheet document. With these steps, you've successfully opened an Excel file using Google Sheets without needing Microsoft Office. Consider sharing this straightforward method with friends or colleagues who might find themselves in similar situations. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring more ways to enhance your digital productivity.